English conversation practice.
What do you do for fun?
I like to go hiking or play sports for fun.
What do you do in the evenings?
I usually watch TV or go for a walk in the evenings.
What do you do in the summer?
I like to go swimming and have barbecues in the summer.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to a concert with friends.
What do you do when you're feeling sad?
I talk to a friend or listen to music when I'm feeling sad.
What do you do when you're angry?
I take deep breaths and try to calm down when I am angry.
What do you do when you're sick?
I rest in bed and drink plenty of fluids when I am sick.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I like to take a walk or meditate when I'm stressed.
What do you do before leaving the house?
I make sure I have my keys and phone before leaving the house.
Who is in your family?
My family includes my parents, siblings, and me.
What do you like to do with your family?
We enjoy playing games and going for walks together.
Where does your family live?
We live in a house in the city.
Do you have any pets in your family?
Yes, we have a dog named Max.
How often do you have family meals?
We have family meals every day.
What chores do you do in your family?
Help with dishes and take out the trash.
Does your family celebrate birthdays?
Yes, we celebrate birthdays with cake and presents.
Who wakes up first in your family?
My dad usually wakes up first.
What time does your family go to bed?
We usually go to bed around 10 o'clock.
Does your family watch TV together?
Yes, we watch TV together in the evenings.
Who cooks in your family?
My mom usually cooks dinner for us.
What do you like about your family?
I like that we always support each other.
Does your family go on vacations?
Yes, we go on vacations every summer.
Who helps you with homework in your family?
My sister helps me with my homework.
Do you have family traditions?
Yes, we have a tradition of going camping every summer.
How does your family celebrate holidays?
We celebrate by decorating the house and cooking special meals.
What is your favorite family activity?
My favorite family activity is playing board games.
Does your family have any rules?
Yes, we have rules like being respectful and cleaning up after ourselves.
Who teaches you new things in your family?
My parents teach me new things all the time.
What do you do on weekends with your family?
We often go to the park or visit relatives on weekends.